We are out making pesto today. My husband's our pesto maker. He throws in a good couple cups, maybe 2 to 3 cups of basil into his food processor. He puts in about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, about a 1/4 cup of pine nuts. You can also use walnuts. And then probably a 1/4 to a 1/2 cup of olive oil at a time. And then he just put in about a 1/2 cup, 1/4 to a 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. He's going to turn on that food processor, grind it up. He's adding his olive oil now. Again, about a 1/4 to a 1/2 cup. We use less olive oil than most recipes call for because we don't like our pesto quite as oily as some of the recipes we've seen. And then when he's all done, he just tastes it. Does it need more garlic? Does it need more Parmesan? Does it need a little bit more oil? Is it too dry?
Take a taste of it to see what
This is what our pesto looks like. You can see it's, if you've had pesto before, this is not quite as oily as what some people are. We're going to give it the...
I'll stir this up and then we'll test this.
We're going to give it the taste test.
The batch might have been a little bit different. Okay.
Taste test.
A lot of garlic, but I like that. I'll grade more cheese though.
So it looks like so far so good.
Yep.
Yeah, right. And we're going to be bagging this up into those quart-sized bags. It's a 2-person job. And that's about how much we put in there. 4 to 5 big spoonfuls. There you go. Pesto. Presto pesto.